Hi guys, I decided to start a vlog of the process of making a film. I just want to be real with people. I just finished writing the first draft. I'm gonna meet up with two friends who are studying to be producers at UCLA. I'm actually in the professional program doing acting at UCLA as well. I'm currently home. Only for about a week, meeting with other producers here in Peru to see if whether it's feasible to get either funding from my home country and or if it's possible to shoot the film in Peru and see what are the difference in costs. And I just want to extend the invitation of being part of this project. It is an adventure film. It has comedy in it. The lead is a female Latino LGBT person. It is a film in English because, let's face it, there is a language barrier if you want to get like a larger possibility of distribution. Unless your film is like so beautiful, you know, and like I don't want to take any chances. Do you know what I'm saying?
This might be cheesy, but I don't care. This is a clip of my cat. So soft. Because I know the internet likes cats, so here you go, you're welcome. Look at the little nose.
The target audience is millennials and Gen Z, Latinos, and people who like superheroes in general. And we are putting some of the indigenous, so the Andean cosmovision, which is like the Andean populations, like the ancient cultures, populations, perspective on the world, and it's fascinating to get to do some research about that. I'm excited to sort of export kind of that knowledge and insights and the culture in a very like respectful way, and just learning really a lot, and to be able to share that knowledge with people that watch the film. Like, whoa, that's so cool. And I'm like, I know, I just found out. And you're like, so cool, maybe we could apply that. And you're like, oh my God, maybe. Like, how much of this is real? And I'm like, we'll have to find out. Like, in your life, you'll like watch the film and you'll be like, is this for real? Like, did this actually happen? Like, is this possible in our world? And that's for you to find out. So the first thing I did after actually finishing the script, so this is the first draft, this is the second draft, is actually get one of the people that I respect the most in terms of indigenous knowledge. She's a historian, and so she gave me notes, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm changing the new script, and it's really helpful to get as many answers to the script as possible. But I also want to sign up for script consulting so that I get a professional script writer's point of view perspective on the script. So it's now 9 p.m. So we just finished the meeting with Garo and Malachi. We looked at what's the plan of attack in terms of financing. We looked at contests in different locations that we might be shooting and different people that we can contact, and what are the things that we need solidified before we can actually contact them. I'll let you know how those meetings go. We're also doing something that not a lot of people do, for various reasons, but I think it's, in this case, very important, which is an interview to the target audience. Basically, if you're in any other industry and you want to say, sell like this is a new product, then you'd go to your target audience and be like, how, you know, like, would you buy this? Or like, is it too big? Would you rather it be smaller? Like, what colors? So that's basically what we're doing with the film. It's like, okay, if you could design your own film, superhero film, you know, what would you change? Would you add more drama? Would you add more comedy? Would you add more fighting? Would you add more special effects? Where would you locate it? So it's just picking the brains of the target audience to know that you're actually listening to what the people want to see, and therefore you're creating something that supposedly would have more chances of doing well in the box office, or that people would recommend, but also gives you an opportunity for people to know about what you're making. So then there's more fans out there, or people that are excited about a project because they see you face to face, they see how excited and like curious and really willing to serve a specific audience. Today is the 19th of January 2020, and this is the update for Custodians, which is a working title, which is already changing. Yes, we are also going to interview and like going to change the title soon. Stay updated to see what the changes are, what are the different like steps in our progress and getting the film done. Contact me directly or any of the other two producers if you have ideas as to what you want to be included in the film, or if there's any questions that you may have, or if you're like, oh my gosh, like I know a place where you can rent a yacht and you can shoot there in Peru, and you're like, oh my god, I didn't know that. Or just share the video with fellow film enthusiasts, or if you have any advice that you want to share, also welcome. Thank you very much for